Water, wiring, and wealth. Feng Shui's lucky. May 2025 calendar for home services. Fix leaks or install systems. Avoid energy drains and attract abundance. One perfectly timed call at a time. Schedule services on these days to electrify good fortune. Feng Shui's lucky. May 2025 calendar for home services. Your home's utilities aren't just pipes and wires. They're the veins of qi that fuel wealth, health, and harmony. In Feng Shui, water represents abundance, while electricity ignites opportunity. Schedule repairs, installations, or upgrades on these auspicious dates to align with cosmic energy and avoid disruptive, shachi, negative energy. Let May 2025 be the month your home hums with prosperity.